La 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 la. Ooh, food truck. I'll go ask my parents. Mom, Dad, can I have a food? Can I have some food? Mom, Dad, I said, can I have some food? Sure, but you already peed twice. I don't care. I'm hungry. Fine. What do you want? Focus World, if they have them, and yeah, and maybe a cookie. Okay. Wait, is this sand? Oh yeah, it is sand. I'm stepping on sand. Hello, welcome to the food truck. How may I help you? Oh, wait, can I just get my wife? Sure. Honey, your daughter wants food. Okay. Okay, there. Go get a table. Okay. Honey, come on. Can we have a mocha swirl and a cookie? Okay. There. Thank you. How much? $5. Thank you. Here you go. We'll just watch you eat right over there. La-dee-doo, la-dee-doo, la-dee-doo. I broke so many bones. Hopefully no one noticed. Ah, la la. Hi, Uncle Jim. Hello, my sweet Kayla. I'm going to order some food. Can I have some ice cream balls? What? Ice cream balls. Okay. Here you go, sir. Pick a table. Okie dokie. Alala, alala, alala. Oh, I'm so lonely, Mr. Lonely. I have nobody. Oh, jeez, who's that guy? He looks kind of weird. I think he's Italian. Come on, kids, we're going to order stuff from the food truck. Ninja skills be like. Ninja skills. Hallelujah. Can you have this table? Sure, sure, Jake. I broke so many bones. My bones have cracked. Where did you learn that from? From Newspaper World? What channel is that? Destiny Place, LPS and Tales. Why? Yeah, whatever. Is that who I think it is? Hey, sir. Oh, hello, my child. Oh my gosh, you're so famous. You're the one from Newspaper World, right? Right. Honey, don't talk to strangers. But I know him. He's from YouTube. Okay? Yeah, fine. Unless he kidnaps you, I won't get you. Because you're talking to a stranger. Well, he's not even bad. He's funny, super funny, super funny. Your eyes will pop out because he's super funny. You have to watch that video. I'll show you it when we get home. Okay, but as long as you don't talk to no more strangers. Okay, deal. Okay. I'm such a big fan of you. I liked your videos every time. Is that who I think it is too? Hi. We promised us don't talk to strangers. But they are from Newspaper World too. Fine, but no more talking to strangers, okay? Okay. Did you hear someone talking to strangers? Yeah, but these are the guys from YouTube. They're nice. They won't kidnap me. As long as you know them. Okay? Bye. She needs to be taught a lesson. Hey! Are you the the guys from Newspaper World? Oh yeah, I am. How may I help you? I'm a big fan. I subscribed. Oh, thanks. Can I have a hug? Okay. I think she passed out. You should go bring her to the doctor's office. Oh, okay. Jeez. Oh. Who's that? Did I hear something? Oh, I think now I heard something. True. Oh, food stands. Can you have ice cream and maybe a taco for my son because he just wanted a glass of water and I want him to have some food. So. Okay, here's a glass of water and ice cream, a taco, anything else? Yeah, maybe a soda. And a soda. Anything else? No, thank you. Okay, that would be $30. Fine, you just took my $30 I've been, saving. Here. Jeez! Ah! People these days. Here's your stuff, y'all. Where's our daughter? I'm not looking at nothing. Just mind your own business. Come here. Stand up straight. Oh! You scared me, Mom. Little girl these days. Who's that? Destiny! Honey, we've talked about this. But she's from Newspaper World too. Fine, now we're talking to strangers. Last one. Okay. Destiny, is that you? Of course. Give me a high five. High paw. Yay! Oh, sorry, my dear Destiny. It's okay, Uncle Jim. I'll go order. Hi, can I have popsicle, please? Okay, here you go. You can have it for free since you are my best friend. Thanks. Where do I sit? Oh, up there. Go sit up there. Yummy. Where am I? Ooh, there's Mom. I'm Mr. Lonely. I have nobody. Oh my word. Guys, are you the one from Newspaper World? Yes, we are. Hi. Hi, Pa. Oh my gosh. Honey, wait. Don't talk to strangers. Hey, lady. Don't do that to your own daughter. It's like you're abusing her or whatever it's called. Come on now, Sherman, let's order. Hi, how may I help you? Can I have a chocolate cake and a donut? Okay. Oh, I didn't get the chocolate cake. Here you go, and here's the donut. Thank you. Can we sit with you, Uncle Jim? Sure. Oh, what happened to the lighting? Okay. Anyways, no more talking to strangers. Okay, no more. Fine. Even if it's your famous YouTuber or something. Come on. Coming, sis. So Mom gave us money to buy food, okay? Okay. And then we're going home after this. Okay. Hello. Hi, welcome to the food truck. How may I help you? Can we have some snowballs? Oh yeah, sure. Thank you. How much? Have it for the free. Thank you. Come on now. Let's go eat a little bit of some snowballs. I'm like starving. Okay. Come on. Wait up. Quack, 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 quack. It's the duck on the loose. Duck on the what? Duck on the what? Duck on the loose. Duck on the loose. Duck on the loose. What? Huh? What are you talking about? What in the what? Duck on the loose. Duck on the loose. What? Quack quack. Ooh, I'm gonna be deaf soon. My eardrums hurt. Like seriously. Can you be like more quiet? Quack 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 quack. Quack! Quack! Okay, you know what? Okay, you know what? I know everything. Hey, don't you dare try this food trap! Ah! How dare you! That's what you get for making this duck hurt my eardrums. None of our fault. Quack, quack, quack. Okay, stop quacking. I'll give you this free cupcake. Quack. Oh, I think that was just my daughter. I'm sorry. Yeah, she can be a little rough sometimes. Yeah, you know. I get it. I don't duck on the loose. What did you just call my daughter? A duck on the loose. Ah! Ah! Stop ripping my hair off. We're not ducks. We're owls. Ah! Come here, you. Hey! Off my son! Yeah, off our own child. He called us ducks first. You're arrested for doing that. Arrest him, since you're the police officer. Wee-oo. Come here. Ow! Don't hurt our son. You okay? Oh my gosh, you're bleeding. Come here. I'll take you to the hospital. I'll take you to the doctor soon. Okay. My beautiful hair is ripped off. Don't worry, Jake. We will like grow new hair, okay? Okay. Hi, can we order anything on the menu? Okay. Take that for free. Come on. You are a girl, not a boy. Oh yes, I'm sorry. Come on. Come up here now. Oof. Mommy, my bow got ripped. Don't worry, honey. Mom will buy you a new one. Fine. Move. Don't you dare say that word. You have to use manners. All right, honey? Manners. Here, take that grape. Have you seen my mommy? Oh boy, I didn't know she had kids. Yeah, I think I throwed her on jail. Mommy! Fine. Come on, you. Get out of jail. Here's your mom. I couldn't breathe in that cell. Mommy! Quack, quack! Come on now, let's go. Now you will pay for this, mister. Quack, 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 quack! La 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 la! Oh, hey guys, it's me, Destiny. I hope you enjoyed the food truck video. Please like and subscribe. more videos come soon, and yeah. Bye, y'all. Ow. Okay, anyways, bye. Ooh.